I have one last question. When it comes to like cash flow, because I know like the affiliate markets, affiliate networks, they take some time to like pay out. It depends on the network, maybe 7 days, maybe 30 days. Like what have you kind of done to like manage that cash flow and be able to afford like the ads paying for themselves?
Well, I started off really slow. Like I've been in this game for such a long time, and my cash flow was like I would start off very, very slow, and it was always kind of just building up. I was never like, oh shit, I discovered something, boom, let's just blow through money as quickly as possible, and then all of a sudden you're in the red for because you have no more cash flow. So I've never ran into that kind of issue. Now, just as much cash as I want, but in your thing, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know. Just maybe try to find yourself a buyer who pays on a 7 day schedule, or just take it slow. Like literally, just take it slow. Get yourself the necessary cash into your bank account, and just take it slow. I mean, there's no reason to go into debt as quickly as possible. Just get the maybe 10 conversions in the first week, then maybe 20 conversions in the second week or 2 weeks later, and then maybe by the start of your second month, you have maybe 50, 60 conversions. But by those 60, 50, 60 conversions, now you have way more intuition, you're more optimized, your everything is running more fluidly, and you have cash. So, but I'm not a financial expert, so I don't know.
That was good advice. Thank you.